Welcoming you all. Today let's see how to prepare a crunchy spring roll recipe. This spring roll can be served either as a starter or a snack. The spring roll is looking very crunchy and crispy. Now let's get started and see how to prepare this yummy spring roll recipe. First let's prepare the dough. For this dough I have taken about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add a little salt to it and about 1 teaspoon of oil. Give it a good mix. Add water little by little and knead it into a nice and soft dough. So the dough should be of a chapati dough consistency. For 1 cup of maida, that is about 250 gram of maida, I have used half a cup of water. That is, in a 200 ml cup, I have used half a cup, 100 ml of water. To prevent the dough from getting dry, I am going to add about a quarter teaspoon of oil. Apply the oil over the dough. Now cover the dough with a cotton cloth and set it aside for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the stuffing. I have heated about 1 teaspoon of oil. To it I am adding about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now I am adding finely chopped garlic and ginger. So instead of this you can even add ginger garlic paste, 1 finely sliced big onion, few curry leaves. Saute it for about 2 minutes. Veggies, I am adding 1 handful of carrot and about 2 handful of cabbage. So even you can add finely sliced capsicum, green peas also. The veggies are your choice. So saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes in a low flame. So now the veggies are partially cooked. Add the salt that's required for this stuffing. I am adding about quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Saute it well for another 3 minutes until the raw smell goes off. I have boiled and mashed 1 potato. So add it to the vegetable mixture. Saute it well. So our vegetable stuffing is ready. After 30 minutes, divide this dough into 7 equal balls. So make sure that the balls are of even sized one. Now roll out this ball into a thin layer. So roll it out like this into a thin layer. Similarly, roll out the remaining 6 balls. So I have prepared all the 7 layers. Now apply some oil over all the prepared layers. Dust some flour over it. Now place the rotis one above the other and stock it into 3 and 4 ones. That is, one should be of a 4 rotis placed one over the other. So stock it as 4 in one and 3 in another. Now roll the stocked rotis into a thin layer. So one I have prepared 3, another is 4 stocked one. Now heat a tawa and place this stocked roti over it and wait until bubbles appear on both the sides. So as you can see, bubbles have appeared. When bubble appears on the other side, remove it out of the tawa. So it should be partially cooked. So once they cool down, you will be able to separate into separate layers. The sheets for the spring roll is ready. Now if you wish, you can cut the sheets into square shaped one. So our sheets are ready for the spring roll. I have prepared the maida slurry. Now place the vegetable stuffing over the sheet and roll it out into pocket shaped ones. Seal the edges with the maida slurry, that is the maida paste, and secure the ends tightly. So similarly prepare all the spring rolls. So you can prepare the spring rolls and store it in the refrigerator. So whenever you need, you can fry them by bringing them to room temperature. So now let's fry them. So fry it in a low to medium flame until they turn golden on all the sides. So our spring roll is ready. A crunchy and tasty vegetable spring roll. This can be served with tomato ketchup. Try out this yummy and crunchy spring roll recipe and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.